NBC 26 Live at 5, the Green Bay Catholic Diocese is asking for a new trial in a civil fraud case filed in Outagamie County. Late last month, the jury found the diocese guilty of covering up child sex abuse by former priest John Patrick Feeney. Brothers Todd and Troy Merryfield say the church knew that Feeney had a history of sexual abuse before he sexually assaulted them in the 1970s. NBC 26's Casey Hott has our big story at 5.
Good evening, Stacy. The Merryfield brothers won that lawsuit on May 21st following a trial that lasted for 8 days. Both Todd and Troy were awarded hundreds of thousands of dollars in damages, but tonight the diocese says that one of the jurors was biased. Just weeks ago, brothers Todd and Troy Merryfield shared a tearful day in court. An Outagamie County judge found the Green Bay Diocese guilty of fraud and awarded Todd Merryfield $225,000 in damages, with Troy receiving $475,000. Now the diocese is asking for a new trial.
It appears that they're requesting a new trial because they feel that one of the jurors was biased.
The directors of SNAP, the survivors network of those abused by priests, say it's unclear exactly what the supposed bias may have been.
It appears that the juror had made some comments in the parking lot after the trial, and there was some question as to some of the answers that they had filled out on their questionnaire.
The Catholic Diocese of Green Bay released a statement today saying, quote, "Because this is a matter under judicial review, we do not have any comment at this time." It goes on to say that there are a number of strict policies in place for keeping children safe. But workers with SNAP say calling for a new trial will only prolong the pain and heartache experienced by the Merryfield family.
This is a pattern here that we've seen in the Diocese of Green Bay, where they will not accept responsibility for the harm that they have inflicted upon children and families throughout the Green Bay Diocese.
Now the judge has scheduled a hearing to decide whether or not a new trial will take place. That hearing is scheduled for June 26th. Live in the Green Bay newsroom, Casey Hott, NBC 26.